a motion to revoke probation to counts 1 through 4. On probation for aggravated assault causing serious bodily injury, and that was a 6-year deferred probation. I've received an updated pre-sentence report. Has everyone had an opportunity to review that report? Are there any additions or corrections? And there was no agreement, correct? Agreed. Also, just for everyone, and we can get copies if you guys need it, I am also reviewing jail incident reports as well. Mr. Rojas, you may proceed. And then you want to come in and say, I just want to get this over with. Give me a couple years in prison, which you probably have credit for, which is absolutely not what I'm going to do. Give me just a second. The fact that this is kind of your fourth shot at it makes me wonder what I was thinking the prior 3 times. Really. All right, Ms. Johnson, this time I'm going to find that you entered the pleas are true to counts 1 through 4 freely and voluntarily. Find those counts true. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time find you guilty of aggravated assault. I'm going to sentence you to a term of 12 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You will receive credit for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. M, making an affirmative finding of a deadly weapon in your case. I'm handing you the trial court certification that shows this was not an agreement. You do have some rights in it. What I do today isn't anything that I'm doing. It's where you've gotten yourself with your history since you've been a juvenile into being an adult, knowing that you cannot possess a firearm. You've got 3 prior felony offenses. One was when you were certified as a juvenile, that first one. And then if you didn't understand the law about deadly weapons, you should have, or carrying a firearm, you should have back in 2015. I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time find you guilty of unlawful possession of a firearm by felon. I'm going to sentence you to a term of 6 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. I'm handing